Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to discuss about making of content, how we can go about creating organic content, because I noticed that many of us don't know how to go about creating our original content, organic ones. Yes, and this country, Nigeria, will have many things, will have a lot to do as a creator. So if you are a new creator in this platform, just gather here so that we will reason together, so that you can see here from me what I'm going to say concerning creating content. Yes, very quickly, in Africa we have small rivers. Yes, we have small rivers in Africa, mostly in my country, Nigeria. Here, do you believe, like, in today Africa or in today Nigeria, people are still answering rivers name? They are still naming river after people. Yes. Why? Because people believe that those river created those people, or those people comes from those rivers. Yes. Or because of, say, your mother was pregnant, or a woman was pregnant looking for a child. At the end of the day, you went to that river and pray. At the end of the day, the river provide child for that woman. Some people still believe like that. Can't you use it as a content? Tell people how river bless people, how river save people. Yes. Of recent, there is one of our actor who passed on inside the river. Do you know that one of the second actor or other people who were rescued, one of them claimed that the river saved him, that he uses Fanta, just Fanta, the Fanta you drink every day, that due to, say, him himself threw that Fanta inside the river, then the river accepted the sacrifice and saved him. Somebody in this 21st century believe that, and you are waiting for somebody to tell you how to create content. Can't you go there now and ask people how this river save people? And there is somebody serving that river also. Can't you go there, ask that man, how is this river saving people? Content. Yes. Content. Yes. Look at the state in Nigeria. No state in Nigeria that you cannot find one or two mineral resources. No state. People are mining them. Can't you pick it up as a challenge? Going from one state, let me say you don't have money for that for now, but within that your state you are staying. Yes, there are mineral resources. Can't you tell people about those mineral resources? Yes. Say this is my state. You can say this is my state. We'll have this, we'll have this, we'll have that. And where these things are, you can tell people. Content. Look at Cross River State. Do you know that state have many things to tell the world? If you are a content creator in that place, you have many things to tell the world. Yes. Look at Obudukato Ranch. Whether the place is functioning or is not functioning, it does not concern you. You can go there and tell people how this place were functioning before, how this place was booming before, why it's not working now. You can tell people. Yes, it's the same Cross River State. I heard that some people are still doing trade by barter. There is market there that people are still doing trade by barter. Why can't you go at the same place and ask people how in this 21st century people are still doing trade by barter? You will ask people, how are they selling? How are they bargaining? How are they exchanging these goods? Yes, you can still tell people content is there. It's the same Cross River. Melissa Rashon, that Oyibo woman that stopped cleaning of twins. Yes, there is a place there that woman stopped that thing. You can still go there and tell people how this woman stopped cleaning of twins in that the same state. Yes, there are many things to talk about. Yeah, go to Badagry in Lagos State, where the Europeans are buying slaves and transporting their slave through Badagry. There is a museum there. You can go there, pay tour guide. It can take you everywhere within that environment. Content don't come out. Yes, that is content on its own. There is university in Almost every state in Nigeria, all the whole state, the whole 36 states in this country have university. You can still go into this university, ask people question. There is student there, they can provide answer. Ask them question, they can provide answer. You can just pick up a topic. What is your name? The person will tell you. Which department? In that your department, which lecturer do you prefer? Which lecturer is the best? Somebody, they will explain. They will tell you the lecturer. Yes. And people will learn. Even the school also will know that that social lecturer is trying because people are talking about him or her. Yes. You can learn many things from there. There is content everywhere. There is content everywhere. So don't limit yourself within that your room. Don't limit yourself within that your room. You can share content. You can get content everywhere. In this country, there is content everywhere. In Nigeria here also. In Kenya, there are many game reserves. In South Africa also, there are many game reserves within this Africa. In Nigeria, there are some game reserves in somewhere like Bauchi. Yes, which you can go there if you are staying around that area. You can still go there and go and ask people. Even though I heard one time that the place is not functioning well, that some lions that were in the zoo there, they look malnourished. Why? Because they are not feeding them well. Yes, you can still go there and go and show it. Go and show it to the world how lions have been kept there without feeding well. Yes. You can still show it. It's a content on its own. Yes. In Kenya, there are reserves everywhere. There are animals everywhere. If you are a Kenyan YouTuber, if you are a Kenyan content creator, you can still go there and tell people, yes, and show it to the world. People want to see things organically. You know, there is since advent of AI and other app for creating all this content. Now, people want to see organic things. So you can still go and create all your own organic content and people will follow you. That view you want, you will see it. That subscribers you want, you will see subscribers. Why? Because you are giving people value for their money. You are giving people value for what they are looking for. Every day, students are here to learn one or two things. So if you provide that education, people will follow you. Yes, people will follow you. There are many things to do as a content. I don't know why many people find it difficult to research and have their own content. There are different apps for you to do editing. Yes, why can't you pick one? Learn it. Sacrifice your time, your energy, and learn all these things so that at the end of the day, you will come into this platform and lecture people on how to navigate all this app. Yes, you can tutor people on how to create all these things. So don't sit down and tell people how you eat fufu this morning. How you eat fufu this morning. No. You can still do more than that. There are many things to tell people. Another one, small factories are producing small things here in Africa. We are not importing everything though. Don't be deceived, because here in my country, some people will produce something here, they will target China. Yes. Some people will produce something in this my side of my country, they will target another different name. Some people will even their beans, they will farm beans here. They will target another place. Yes. Why? Because as imported goods, due to the love for imported goods in Africa, if they produce something here, they will target another different thing. At the end of the day, people will pay more money. Why? Because it's a foreign. No, some of them are not foreign. They are made in Nigeria. Yes. So you can still go and research for where there is all this small factory producing small things and show it to the world. Like one of my my YouTuber normally do, which is Wodemaya. When this boy was in China interviewing people up and down, he found out that there are things in Africa more than in China which our own African people will relate. Both people in outside country, both people in in Africa here will relate to what is happening in Africa. The guy returned back to Africa and start creating his own content in Africa. Before you know what is happening, the guy go viral from just one a particular post from Rwanda, where the guy was eating inside the gutter, clean gutter, eating and telling the whole world that look at a clean gutter. That is not only in Europe that you will see a clean gutter. In Africa, you can see a clean gutter. So there are many things for you to do in this Africa that you can blow up. Even people in diaspora will be watching you and be learning from you. Yes, there are many things for you to do as a content creator in Africa. Yes. So just wake up. Take that bull by the horn. Stand up and go and create your own original content. You will go viral. Yes, you will go viral. Tutor people on how to do different things. Even if it is food you want to cook, you can still go ahead and learn different recipes. People want to see your own way of cooking that food. People want to see your own style of cooking that food. Yes, no food in this life you want to cook that somebody has not done it before. No. But due to different style of doing it, people want to see that your style of doing it. Yes. So go ahead today, stand up and go and find one niche and focus on it. If it did not work, do another one. One will work for you. So if you find what I have said today helpful, please help me like, comment and subscribe. Share to other people also, so that at the end of the day we will build a community in this platform. Thank you very much.